Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you the easiest way to set time and date as well as sync this analog hand on this SKMEI 2031 model watch. So if you also have got this watch and getting trouble regarding setting time and date, this video will be really helpful. Let's get started. The very first step to set time and date on this watch is you have to come in timekeeping mode like me, where you can see hour, minute and date as well as days of a week. If you are in different function, press left side down button. This is stopwatch, this is alarm. The same function where second is blinking, press this one more time. Now this is actual timekeeping mode. Once you come here, you have to press this left side down mode button for 3 times. Once, twice and thrice. You can see here now the seconds have started blinking. To adjust that second, you have to press this right side top button. So whenever I press this right side top button, it makes second 0. Now to adjust hour and minute, press this right side down reset button, where you will get a chance to adjust hour. If you press this right side top button, it goes ahead, and you can also see A is mentioned. That means we are in AM. This is how you can adjust hour. If you continuously cycle through it, you can even reach to PM and even go towards 24-hour format. If I do this, you can see over here, currently we are in 12-hour format where you will see A or P. But once we reach in 24-hour format, you will see H. Now we are in 24-hour format. If you want to go back towards 12-hour format, then press that right side top button continuously. Later you will reach towards 12-hour format after this. So now we are in 12-hour format. Once you adjust your hour, to adjust minute, press right side down button. You can see here minutes have started blinking. Press right side top button to go ahead. After adjusting hour and minute, to adjust month and date, press right side down button. You can see here month have started blinking. Use this same right side top button to go ahead. Now to adjust days, press right side down button again. You can see here 21 is blinking. Press right side top button to go ahead. After adjusting these, we will adjust days of a week. Press this right side down button again. Monday is blinking. Press right side top button to go ahead. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So after adjusting these all, to keep it fixed at the end, press left side down mode button once. So whatever the adjustment you have did is fixed over here. And if you want to adjust this analog hand, simply pull out the crown outside and rotate clockwise and set the time according to the digital and press this crown inside. So this is how you can set time and date as well as sync analog time on this SKMEI 2031 model watch. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe my channel and help me to reach 1000 subscribers, guys. Thank you very much for watching till the end.